Reach up high.
You can't reach up high?
Can you do the other side? Is it easy?
You want to push her over a little bit? Good job. She's like, what?
Give her the shoulder. Yeah. Good job.
She's like, water everywhere.
Kimmy's friend is here.
Yeah, I seen her. She showed up.